right, even as the poll season heats up, we're looking at Swati Maliwal assault case that's now taken center stage in Delhi. The BJP holding protests against Arvind Kejriwal over assault on MP Swati Maliwal. DCW chief Swati Mal allegedly was assaulted, and Sanjay Singh did come out to accept it yesterday, saying that they're going to take adequate action. Issue will be taken into cognizance. The man will be brought to book. But the surprising aspect here is that it's been over 48 hours. Swati Maliwal herself, who's otherwise vociferous speaking up against assault on women. She takes up cases and fights for those victims, but hasn't stood up for herself so far, raising a lot of questions on what the real story behind this assault case really is. At this point, Swati Maliwal has stayed low. She's not come before the media to reveal the details, not filed a formal complaint yet. Let's listen into the BJP protesters on the streets with placards.
केजरीवाल इस्तीफा दो, महिलाओं का ये अपमान, महिलाओं का ये अपमान।
Let me cut across to Shreya Chatterjee joining us live for more on that. Shreya, very interesting. Poll season, we would ideally would have seen campaigns happening. Delhi, of course, is going to be elections in the next phase on the 25th. And instead of a political campaign, we're seeing protests against the Aam Aadmi Party by the BJP netas with regards to Swati Maliwal being assaulted. Give us more on the facts of this case. Very hazy details that surfaced so far.
Well, Nabila, you know, the Bharatiya Janata Party is now leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the Swati Maliwal matter is brought to light. Remember yesterday, Sanjay Singh, he in a press release suggested that yes, there was an incident that happened with Swati Maliwal and an action has been initiated against the PA of Arvind Kejriwal, who is Bivav. However, there is no clarity from the side of Aam Aadmi Party on what is the kind of action that's been taken against him, and probably that clarity would have given some sort of assurance that yes, there will be an action taken against what happened with Swati Maliwal. Now today against that you see the Mahila Morcha, specifically of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are protesting against Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party for inaction in a case against a woman where assault had taken place.
All right, would you be able to bring us some voices, Shreya? Could you pan your cameras, bring us some voices? What kind of demands do those women have?
मैम, आप लोग यहाँ पे जो प्रोटेस्ट पे आए हो, आप लोग क्या मांग?
सर, हमारे केजरीवाल सरकार में महिला को साथ शोषण हो रहा है, उनके साथ मारा पीटी हो रही है और गाली गलौज हो रही है। ये केजरीवाल की नीति है, ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए। जो बदतमीजी में तब अपने पार्टी वालों को नहीं छोड़ सकता है और दूसरी महिलाओं को क्या छोड़ेगा?
फिलहाल स्वाति मालीवाल ने कोई कंप्लेन नहीं किया दिल्ली पुलिस की तरफ से, इसीलिए एक्शन नहीं इनिशिएट हुआ है। क्या आप उनसे भी रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे कि वो भी आए सामने, कंप्लेन दर्ज करे ताकि एक्शन हो और क्या हुआ वो भी सामने आए?
हम यही चाह रहे हैं कि वो सामने आए और बताएं कि महिला के साथ उनका क्या हो रहा है, कंप्लेन लिखवाएं, जिससे कि अगर एक महिला के साथ 4 महिला के साथ वो आगे कितनी महिला को साथ कर रहा है।
आपको क्यों लगता है कि स्वाति मालीवाल ने अब तक कंप्लेन अभी तक आपको क्यों लगता है कि क्या है?
अभी वो सोच रहे हैं शायद मुझे मुख्यमंत्री का पद मिल जाए मारपीट खा करके भी, मगर मिलने वाला नहीं है। केजरीवाल बहुत शातिर है, वो आगे किसी को नहीं आने देगा, सिर्फ अपनी वाइफ को आने देगा।
वो तो खिला खिला के विकलांग बना दिया, खिचड़ी दलिया क्या दिया, खुद दिया, हम लोग को विकलांग बना दिया, नकली दवाई दिया। आज कम से कम ये मनोज तिवारी है या मोदी जी है, कम से कम हम कंधे से कंधे मिला के चल रहे, अपने पैरों पे तो खड़ा है। दिल्ली ऐसे प्रदेश।
You heard them. This suggests is that yes, an assault took place against a woman, and particularly their voices aren't wrong because we are also talking about Swati Maliwal, who's represented the DCW. She knows her agency quite well. Even then, what is stopping her from actually coming across and filing a complaint? That's a very pertinent question. Also from the side of Aam Aadmi Party, yes, they did agree that an incident had taken place. They have taken an action against Bivav Kumar. But what is the sort of action? There's still no clarity on the kind of action initiated. Has he been removed from any affairs related to the Chief Minister? Minister, will the Aam Aadmi Party, ask Swati Maliwal to initiate a complaint there so that there could be a formal inquiry? There are hazy details that are still unclear from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party, and we right now are seeing that the Bharatiya Janata Party is taking option into that, and probably because it's also election season is why you see the kind of protest that is taking place in this particular matter.
Right. Well, stay with us, Shreya. We see that protests continuing on the streets of Delhi, where you have women of the BJP demanding justice for the DCW chief, Swati Maliwal, who was allegedly assaulted. But remember, Swati hasn't yet given a formal complaint. So we are yet to verify about these allegations, whether the intensity of the crime, why no complaint so far, and if this was assault. For 2 days, Swati Maliwal has so far not spoken up. She's otherwise media friendly and usually speaks for victims in such cases, but hasn't stood up for herself. Political row there only escalating in Swati Maliwal's assault case. First Aam Aadmi Party response that came in yesterday from Sanjay Singh, and he confirmed that it's Rajya Sabha MP and former Delhi Women's Panel Chief Swati Maliwal who was assaulted by Kejriwal's PA Vibhav. He's added that Delhi Chief Minister has taken cognizance, will also take strict action in the matter. Maliwal's ex-husband, meanwhile, quickly jumped in with a video that he released saying that Swati Maliwal's life could be under threat. He says that she is worried for her safety and that her silence is intimidating. Remember, it was just a few days ago when a call was allegedly made by Swati Maliwal to Delhi cops, she claimed that she was assaulted by the PA of the Chief Minister at the CM's residence. Although no formal complaint has been filed, the police did take suo moto case. They landed up at the Civil Lines police station to take this matter forward and investigate, but yet until Swati Maliwal gives a complaint herself, we are not too sure how far this case can be pursued.
जो स्वाति के साथ ये घटना हुई है, ये पूरी साजिशन घटना हुई है, पूरी साजिश के तहत घटना हुई है और उसको अब डराया धमकाया जा रहा है और उसके साथ कुछ भी हो सकता है। ये भी मैं जानकारी के लिए आपको बता देता हूँ। जिस वैभव का नाम आ रहा है कि उसने मारपीट की है, उस कूतरू की तो औकात ही नहीं है। को तेज आवाज में भी बोल जाए, वो किसके सारे पर के करा है वो तो वही बताओगी। सारी चीज तो मैं नहीं बता सकता जब तक वो खुद नहीं बताओगी।
एक बहुत ही निंदनीय घटना घटित हुई जिसके बारे में आप सबको बताना चाहता हूं। कल सुबह अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के आवास पर स्वाति मालीवाल जी मिलने के लिए पहुंची थी। ड्राइंग रूम में इंतजार कर रही थी। इस बीच विभव कुमार जी वहां पे आते हैं और उन्होंने स्वाति मालीवाल जी के साथ बहुत बदतमीजी की, अभद्रता की। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने पूरी घटना को संज्ञान में लिया है और इस पूरे मामले में सख्त कार्रवाई करने को कहा है।
केजरीवाल ने पहले चीफ सेक्रेटरी का पिटाई किया, वो भी एलिगेशन है। कल सुबह वो राज्यसभा सांसद को भी पिटाई किया। मेरा लगता है कि राज्यसभा का हमारे जो भारत का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, जो राज्यसभा का चेयरमैन है, उनको 100% कॉग्नाइजेंस लेना चाहिए कि राज्यसभा का सांसद को एक चीफ मिनिस्टर कैसे पीट सकता है। और मेरा अपना निवेदन होगा उपराष्ट्रपति जी को कि आप इसका संज्ञान लीजिए और केजरीवाल का खिलाफ आप अपना प्रोसेस शुरू कीजिए।
अरविंद केजरीवाल, स्वाति मालीवाल और उनकी पत्नी सबका आपस का है, इसमें हम कहाँ पढ़ने जाएंगे भाई। केजरीवाल का तो अभी एक ही चेहरा, भ्रष्टाचारी चेहरा देख रहे हैं, अब दूसरा चेहरा देखने लगेंगे तो हमें गड़बड़ा जाएगा।
आज 24 घंटे से ऊपर हो गया है, अभी तक अरविंद केजरीवाल की तरफ से जवाब नहीं आया है। सवाल ये उठता है कि अगर मुख्यमंत्री का घर ही सेफ नहीं है एक महिला के लिए, और वही महिला ऐसी जो आपकी खुद की पार्टी की सदस्य और सदस्य नहीं है, मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट भी है, उसका वो सेफ नहीं है, तो पूरी दिल्ली के अंदर आम आदमी पार्टी के दबाव में या डर में दिल्ली की महिलाएं सेफ कैसे हो सकती हैं?
अगर उनके पति ने जान का खतरा कहा है तो क्योंकि 4-5 दिन लगे हैं और अभी एफआईआर करके अरेस्ट नहीं करा रहे हैं तो कुछ भी संभव है, इसलिए उनको सिक्योरिटी की सुविधा मिलनी चाहिए। और भारतीय संविधान के तहत किसी भी मिनिस्टर या किसी भी अधिकारी को सांसद के खिलाफ मारपीट कर दे, ये संविधान के खिलाफ बात है एकदम। तो क्या एफआईआर करा के उसे पकड़वा रहे हैं या नहीं?
संजय जी ने जिस प्रकार खुल करके सब सारी बातें सामने रख दी हैं और कहा कि खुद मुख्यमंत्री ने उन्होंने संज्ञान में लिया है और सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी, तो मैं समझता हूं कि इसका पटाक्षेप वही होना चाहिए। सार्वजनिक जीवन में कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर इस प्रकार का व्यवहार करे, वो किसी भी दल का हो, किसी भी ओहदे पे हो, तो वो स्वीकार्य नहीं होना चाहिए। उसके लिए 0 टॉलरेंस होना चाहिए।
कहीं भी हो, किसी भी दल में हो, ये अगर कोई किसी के साथ अभद्रता होती, कुछ होता तो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। अब वो किस संदर्भ में किया, कैसे किया, वो तो जब उसका पूरी पृष्ठभूमि की जानकारी होगी, जांच होगी, तभी पता चल पाएगी उसमें कोई दोषी है कि नहीं है, कि किस संदर्भ में हुआ है, तो उसकी जांच जरूरी है। जो केजरीवाल ने कहा, स्वागत है कि जांच होनी चाहिए ताकि तथ्य सामने आ सके।
Earlier, Assam Chief Minister Hemanta Biswa Sarma has also hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party, the Congress alliance in Delhi, speaking of laxities on Swati Maliwal's case. Here's a listen.
केजरीवाल जब अपना राजनीतिक सफर शुरू किया था, उन्होंने क्या बोला था कि मैं कांग्रेस का साथ कभी हाथ नहीं मिलाऊंगा। आज दिल्ली में क्या कर रहा है, कांग्रेस का साथ ही इनू इनू कर रहा है। उनका पॉलिटिक्स शुरू कहाँ से हुआ था? एंटी कांग्रेस से ही शुरू हुआ था, लेकिन आज वो जाके कांग्रेस का गोद में बैठ गया है। तो केजरीवाल का कोई पॉलिटिकल फिलॉसफी नहीं है, खुद चोर है, लोगों को चोर बोलते हैं।
All right. Now, to give you a glimpse into what really happens, the Swati Maliwal case, 13th May, PCR gets a call from the Chief Minister's office, 9:34 a.m. The complainant there claims to be Swati Maliwal herself. She alleges assault by Kejriwal's PA, personal assistant, and at the Chief Minister's house itself. The police say that Aam Aadmi Party MP then visited the civil lines police station herself. Police claim Swati Maliwal said she'll file a complaint only later, hadn't filed a formal complaint immediately, but did intimate the police and left from the spot. On 14th May, the Aam Aadmi Party MP Swati Maliwal confirms, in fact, Sanjay Singh confirms that Swati Maliwal indeed was assaulted at the Chief Minister's house. AAP MP says Kejriwal, the Chief Minister, has taken cognizance of the issue. AAP then promised to take action against the Chief Minister's PA, Bibhav. But so far, we don't know of an arrest or a formal complaint against Bibhav that's been filed as yet. Shreya is with us for more on that. Shreya, please give us more on the ambiguity that surrounds the case at this point. Swati Maliwal herself hasn't come out. If this was really an assault case, she goes to the police station and she holds back from actually filing a formal complaint. It's really shocking and confusing. Sanjay Singh instead comes out and says cognizance will be taken, but where? 48 hours, no complaint, with assault on a sitting Rajya Sabha MP inside the Chief Minister's residence.
Well, absolutely. So, Nabila, you know, the entire incident is also not sending out the kind of messaging that ideally the Chief Minister of the National Capital and the Aam Aadmi Party would want to send out when it comes to women's safety. Now, Swati Maliwal's incident first came to the light when Delhi police officially confirmed that there was a PCR call that they received at 9:34 a.m. Subsequently, Swati Maliwal did come to the police station of civil lines. However, she did not file a complaint, suggested she will come back later. We saw a day's silence after that, and then yesterday only, Sanjay Singh comes out and suggests that yes, there was an incident that took place with Swati Maliwal and she was misbehaved by Bibhav Kumar. and they will be initiating an action. There still continues an ambiguity. There's still to be answered that what kind of action will be taken by the Aam Aadmi Party against Vibhav Kumar for assaulting a sitting MP, a former DCW chief. So clearly, the Aam Aadmi Party does have a lot of answering to do. And why is Swati Maliwal also quiet? Remember, we're talking about a woman who knows her agency, who knows her right. She's fought for women in the past. Despite that, what is the compulsion that is keeping her away from filing an official complaint before the police so that an action can be taken? And that's precisely why we see on the ground the Bharatiya Janata Party grabbing the option in the election season to attack both the Aam Aadmi Party and Arvind Kejriwal for women's safety. This will only, in all likelihood, spiral out more if there is no clarity given from the Aam Aadmi Party on the kind of action that they have initiated against Vibhav Kumar that they have suggested yesterday.
Well, it's the BJP, as we know, has turned this around into an issue that rages right ahead of the first phase of elections in Delhi. Delhi goes to polls, the first round itself on the 25th of May. And here we're looking at the BJP really upping the ante, almost becoming a poll issue right now against the Aam Aadmi Party. They've got a real issue at hand, which they're using to slam and target the AAP for laxities, not being able to protect their own DCW chief.